Still working out. Welcome to this California gold rush. Out here with Deep Woods and Josh Black and Mark. We got a bunch of motherlode stuff with us today. Out doing some detecting on a Nugget Creek. I got a nice piece of gold over there last year. Slow going, so if I find something, I'll let you know. There's a bunch of fly poo so far, but I'm gonna keep going after it.
At the end of the day, I can send it to you and stuff. Because I know it's like hard because you'd be like holding your phone, you're like, damn, I want to get a picture of me over here doing this or something, and you can't because you're holding it yourself.
So I'm up here working where I found that nice piece last year. It was right in here. And we're ripping out that right down, that wall. I got this too, the GPX 5000. He's got his gold monster out. And then Chad has the other gold monster that we brought out. Clearing this off. I found a little pocket right there, so I'm going to go in the hillside a little bit. See if I can't pull some material out.
Yeah, thank you, MindLab, for the swag, too.
Yep.
Swag. Thank you, MindLab.
Drew.
Yep. MindLab.
Relic recoverist.
MindLab beans. I really wish I had my hands raised, bro. I could tear this up like hell with that
thing. Hey! Sitting on the grass in the summertime, playing my guitar. Nighttime comes. Laying in the shade, checking out the stars. Walk with a friend on a rainy day, takes me from this place. Listening to crickets, meadow singing, puts a smile on my face. And if I close my eyes tonight, you know I'll be thinking about what to say. Got a feeling deep inside.
Yeah. Finally found something.
Oh, you son of a gun.
That's a good one.
Sick.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful
Hell
piece.
yeah,
Where'd that come from?
Right there.
Nice.
I gotta calm down. Pretty nice piece. Looks like a raptor head or something. Snake head. I got a target over there and just kept digging that out, and I said to myself, there was a bunch of sludge down at the bottom, and I said, if I don't do this and take that last pan of sludge out, Mark's gonna go over and he's gonna take it out and find it. And I was blasting through that pan just trying to get through, and sure enough, this was up on top of the whole old pocket knife. Gosh, you got that two toes tool that you modified? Yeah. Check out what he did here. He took it and plastic dipped it so that the handle's solid now. Doesn't shake around. You got a nice grip to it too. It's a really good idea. Really good idea.